Hey guys, what's going on? This is Stevie. Have you guys ever wanted to host your own Minecraft server on your own machine? Well, today I'm going to show you how to do it for free, and it's super easy. Alright guys, so what you want to do is you want to go to the first link in the description. That's going to be SquidServers.com. And then here you'll see all the information about SquidServers and why it's awesome and why you should probably use it if you're thinking about hosting a Minecraft server locally. So you want to click on download and then choose whichever operating system you want to download on. For me, I'm going to do Windows. So it's going to show a security warning, but that's okay. Accept it, so download. Alright, so when the download is completed, just make sure you just left click it once. Then this is going to pop up. You're going to want to press more info and then run anyway. I already have it installed, so I'm just going to cancel out of that. So next I'm going to show you how to set up your Squid server. I already have one set up, so you want to press create new server. Then go to this and choose your Java version. I'm just going to go to the default. Next. And then you're going to want to choose which type of server you want to run. So feel free to read through all these. Let's go vanilla for now. You also have these, you have fabric, you have forge. So I'm just going to go vanilla for now just because it's easy. And then next, how we use the servers. So playing and hosting means you're going to be hosting the server on the same machine and that you're going to be playing on. So I'm going to choose that. But if you're going to do a separate computer to host the server, then you choose this. So I'm going to press continue now. Okay, now it's just Minecraft version, so I'm just going to do 1.21.10, and then you can put whatever you want for the seed or leave it blank if you want. And then default world type, flat, large, biomes, amplified, whatever you want. Next, so now you're going to name your Minecraft server. So I'm going to call it YouTube Video. Okay, so you want to find a save location. I'm just going to leave it as default. And then since we are running vanilla Minecraft, we're not going to be having any plugins or mods, so I'm just going to leave the RAM allocation as is. If you wanted to, you can increase it, you could lower it, and it's going to give you those pop-ups. But if you're in the green, you're good. So I'm going to press next. Then here you just review your server video. Okay, so all this looks good. You can do allow anonymous usage tracking, but you don't have to. I'm going to deselect that. Alright, and then next you press launch server and watch the magic happen. Alright guys, now that it's done, you'll see that it says preparing server files, check, starting Minecraft server, check, and then setting up playit.gg tunnel. So what that means is you don't need to port forward on your local machine. So playit.gg tunnels make it super easy to set up your Minecraft server. The only unfortunate side to this is if you want to go free all the way, you're going to have to use this Minecraft server address. So I'm just going to copy that for now so we could test the Minecraft server in a second. So I'm going to continue the dashboard. Then here you see my server is up and running. I'm using barely any CPU, barely any RAM. If you want, you can go through all these settings. There's dashboard. It shows you all your dashboard information as usual, your console type commands and see the output. Players, you can create backups if you want, which is really neat. You can also configure automatic backups, so that's actually really cool. You can have a scheduler to do random tasks, and last but not least we have the settings. Actually second to last, because you still have the server files you can access. So you can pretty much customize everything you'd be able to customize in the server folder just easily here in a GUI format. So now I'm going to choose server files. Everything is here. So this is the server.properties file like any Minecraft server you would be running locally. This is just all the same stuff that I showed you before on that GUI format, but this is in text-based format. So we don't even need to mess with that. If you want, you can mess around with it, see what works for you, see what doesn't work, and let's try to join the server right now. Also, I forgot to mention that SquidServers is Geyser compatible, so if you choose any of the other options other than vanilla, I believe if you choose paper, because I've tested it with paper, you can open a Geyser server, so it opens it up to both Java players and Bedrock players. So right now I'm going to open up Minecraft. Alright, now that I swapped over to Minecraft, I'm going to go into multiplayer direct connection just to make it easy. I'm going to control V my server address from the Squid servers. And I'm going to press join server. Alright guys, here we go. Oh, would you look at that? There's a sunken ship right there. So that's pretty cool. We got a pretty good seed this time. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed, please hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.